All right, we're going to run through the different ways to analyze the surface. We have the classical material renderings, dull finishes for the just basic shape determination. We have clay-like surfaces for the analogies to clay shaping. Typical alias, shiny surface to check continuity and check curvature of things. Shiny metal paints, different paints which allow for reflections and edges to be seen. Then there are particle shapes which allow the acceleration of different particles across the surface to be gauged. Sort of comic book shaders, which are also turning out to be quite nice to analyze the transitions. We're going to experiment more with those and some final steps in the material captures of some synthetically AI generated engravings, matte capture files up to there. And now come the analysis tools. The final is just the most extreme example. Analysis tools, we have a new zebra functions. They're all selectable from the menu. All of the variables, again, are selectable, but this gives a rough, not a rough, but a quick selection through the various kinds of mapping, whether they're base to camera or static and moving with the object. Palettes can be changed at any time through the palette buttons. And just run through the rest of the standard portfolio of new features. And then some extra variations. There are 14 different variations in the current file, 13 or 14. These are some extra presets. All of the presets on the menu can be tuned with the controls here. These controls increase the number of color breakups of the palette. This changes the element size. This changes the gaps between. Very large gaps. This changes the transparency, so you can see through. And this changes to a white gap. All right, that's the analysis tools. Click to transparent gaps, larger elements, larger gap. And that'll let you gauge. All right, that's HST Surface Analysis Tools, April 2025, based on the Rhino work in progress number 9.